What's up, YouTube? It's getting closer and closer to game time, guys, and so I hope you guys are getting ready to do our thing for another week, man. Listen, I want you guys to be prepared to make money with me this week. And so I'm going to show you a setup on the charts, as well as talk to you about some stocks that I need to make sure you are buying or dollar cost averaging into during this time, okay? Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, check it out, guys. I have the SPY pulled up here on the 1 hour time frame, just so you guys can see some of what I want you guys to be on the lookout for from a larger standpoint, okay? And so let me make sure that we ready to go with this. Guys, check this out. All right. Right now we have, as you can see on my screen here, we have this level at 408 that I want you guys to be looking out for tomorrow. Okay. The opportunity is going to be if we gap down tomorrow. So right here, if we begin to gap down towards this area, this is the 48 right here, guys. This is the 48 EMA. All right. And I want you guys to look for that to serve as support. Okay. I'm going to write this down. So these are things you want to identify when it comes to making money with me. All right. We want to see the 48 EMA hold up as support. So we actually are embracing a pullback of sorts. Okay. Because we want to see and hopefully get in at this level. This will be our entry, and we'll be looking for a bounce off of that level back to around 413. Now check this out, guys. Listen, these dips are necessary. These types of pullbacks to previous levels of support are necessary. So on your journey, especially if you're trying to make money with me as early as tomorrow, okay, I want you to be looking out for this. So everybody, do me a favor, class is in session. Write down support at 408 on the SPY tomorrow, okay? And after you write down 408 support, I want you guys to then say, I need to react to whether we break or bounce at that level. Okay, if we don't break through and come down further to like 407 is okay, but I'm talking about further than that. Then guys, that range 407 to 408 is a entry for you to buy a call and go long. Okay, and we'll be holding that play to around 411, 413. Okay, you kind of take profit at both of those levels, 411, 413, but we're trying to get back to 415 en route on our way to 420. Okay, again, that's more longer term stuff, but I want you guys to play it level to level. All right, but look, 408, let's pull this back up. 408 is what we'll be looking for, and that's right in this range right here. Okay, and I want you guys to be looking for this on tomorrow. We're looking for it to come here and potentially bounce off of that level and shoot back to the upside. Okay, and the upside will be back up to this level, which is your 13 EMA. All right, so with that being said, just a quick play, but a tactical play. All right, remember, around here we don't guess, we don't gamble, we are surgical. All right, so that means sometimes you got to have a little patience, sometimes you got to wait for the setups to occur, and sometimes, guys, you have to focus on your execution. More importantly than that, though, control your losses. Okay, do me that favor, guys, and let's get ready to get to the money right out the gate. I expect to get nothing but text messages, screenshots, and emails on tomorrow if this plays out according to plan. All right, and if the market goes higher, guys, you already know, get in the Discord. I'll tell you everything first thing in the morning where we are headed. All right, with that being said, guys, let's take a look at some stocks to buy and dollar cost average into. Right now I have VTI, ticker symbol VTI, pulled up. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF is currently sitting at 208. Okay, I love this play under 200, so 200 and below ideally. However, we may take a while to get back to that low of a level. Okay, might come to 204. All right, but what I want you to do is be dollar cost averaging. Okay, I like to buy my stocks on Mondays and Fridays. So on any pullback, so for instance, if the SPY pulls back, this will pull back. Okay, and so on that pullback to 408 in the SPY, this should also pull back to maybe 206. That type of example is where on the long term side of your journey, okay, you can dollar cost average into some of your long-term holds. Also, speaking of long-term holds, guys, you know my dividend plays will also be things that I'll continuously dollar cost average into. Verizon, ticker symbol VE, VZ sitting at $41.51. Dollar cost average into this, okay? The goal is to get and accumulate as many shares as possible so that one day in your future life, and your future self will thank you, you can live off the dividends, okay? Preferably do this in your Roth IRA so it can grow tax-free. Another one is Main Street Capital, guys. This is a monthly dividend play. And so ticker symbol MAIN sitting at $40.11. Same thing, guys. If you can, if you don't already, add this and begin to dollar cost average into it, especially in like your Roth IRA, things that can grow tax-free. And then Capital Southwest, currently sitting at 1962. The ticker symbol on that one is CSWC. Again, another play that if you aren't, consider doing this. Now, mind you guys, you may have your own set of dividend plays, and that's totally fine. All right. The goal is for you to practice good habits. Okay. The goal for you is to practice proper investing strategies that leads to long-term success. Okay. So that's really the aim of this. I just want you guys doing the right thing on your journey. All right. And then my last dividend play, this one replaced B&G Foods, is Altria, ticker symbol MO. This one is sitting at $46.91. Okay, and so this too has a nice dividend yield, a nice payout. It keeps on pace with my current structure that I have in place. But when in doubt, VTI or VOO, for those of you that may have that one, is the one that you want to make sure, if nothing else, you at least dollar cost average into that. All right. With that being said, guys, check it out. This week, I want you guys to get money with me. I'll be sending out the weekly option plays by 8:30 in the morning. So you got a little bit of more time to join if you haven't already before those go out. All right. And we'll be ready to knock those out the park. But on top of that, get in the Discord if you're not in there already. We're always doing our thing, learning and earning 5 days a week. So make sure you are part of that as well. All right. With that being said, check this out, guys. I have, I think, a $5,000 amount I need to make up. Okay, although I had an awesome week last week, my losses equaled around $5,000. I had a $2,000 loss. I had two $2,000 losses, like $2,100, $2,400, and then an $800 loss. I'm just combining that together, and that total equals $5,000. Okay, out the gate. That's the number. That's my target goal for tomorrow that I'm trying to make. So please be ready to get money with me. Take advantage of the plays, the setups that we'll call out in the Discord, and let's focus on execution and managing our risk. The rest will take care of itself, okay? Listen, guys, fall in love with the base hit. The home run will come. Manage your risk, manage your losses, okay? That's the focal point for this week. That's the focal point moving forward, because I want you guys to lose less, okay? Losing is part of the game, but lose less so you don't blow up your account, so that when we can be a part of these wins, it make up for everything. All right. Hopefully this was helpful, guys. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.